I am Mr. Saddam Hussain, Assistant Professor of ECE Department. Now I am discussing about the topic microcontroller. First of all, what is microcontroller? The microcontroller is highly integrated single chip which is the consist of on-chip CPU, central processing unit, RAM, random access memory, EEPROM and IO devices, timer, interrupt controller, etc. So these are all microcontrollers should be 8-bit and 16-bit available in the 8051. This is a block diagram of microcontroller. Microcontroller is a variable interfacing processing unit. To see the block for the ALU, arithmetic and logical purpose of this unit. Next, interrupt circuit. Interrupt circuit is more than interfacing purposing to the external and internal device, as it is clock circuit, timer counters, stack pointer, accumulator, registers and internal RAM, IO ports. IO ports is variable ports are available in 8051 microcontroller for the port 0, 1, 2, 3 up to. Then processor and controller. There are the variable difference of the processing and controller unit. Then the processor is a general purpose register, the controller is a single chip computer only. Then processor is the most common microcomputer system. Microcontroller is a small and minimum component designing purpose. The processor is a instruction to mainly nibbles or byte addressable one. Controller is the both bit addressable as well as byte addressable. The processor is the based system design complex and expensive. Microcontroller is designed rather than simple and cost effectively. Then processor is a zero status flag, controller is a no zero flag. And additionally, one point, the processor is a less number of pins would available. Controller is a more number of pins would be available. Let us see the 8051 microcontroller. The variable types of controller. In the 8051 microcontroller, AVR, PIC and ARM as it is. So first type of 8051 microcontroller. The 8051 microcontroller is the very popular 8-bit microcontroller introduced by internal year 1981 and is become the almost academic standard nowadays. The 8051 based on 8-bit core. There are variable features available in the microcontroller. So the 4 kilobit, KB means kilobit, is the chip program memory for the RAM and ROM or EEPROM. Then 128 byte of on-chip data memory and 8-bit data bus, 16-bit addressable. Then 32 general purpose register, each bits 116-bit counter and 116-bit DPTR. DPTR otherwise known as data pointer. This is the pointer should be pair with 8 and 8-bit of the 8086 up to 8051. One 8-bit stack pointer on microseconds instructions cycle to 12 MHz cycle crystal and full duplex serial communication port also available in 8051 microcontroller. So this is the architecture of the 8051 microcontroller. Can be understood the block diagram is the hardware architecture of RISC means reduced instruction set computer. So this is the block diagram concept. To see the block from the under logic unit is a program status 8-bit and then program status word of 8-bit. This is one of the flag register to the A register, B register up to variable registers in the available in microcontroller. The A registers is here one of the address or accumulator register. B register is a temporary register. Then special function register is available to 8051. More number of registers mean SCON, PCON, TCON. More number of registers available in the special function to the RAM memory. Then ROM memory is a 4 kilobyte of data. There is a number of ports available in the 8051 microcontroller. To see the number of latches called the port 0, 1, 2, 3. The port 0 is available to IO interfacing address and data for the up to A02, A7, D02, D7. Port 1 is one and only available for the interfacing, that means IO interface purpose, and port 2 is a more number of address only available for the interfacing purpose, or the A8 to A15. Then latch 3 is a in IO ports interrupt counter serial data read and write purpose. Okay, these are the variation for the 8051 microcontroller block diagram. Next type should be available on in our future. Okay, thank you.